In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a free PDF to Mailchimp subscribers. So start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, click on Content and Brand. So here in the Uploads page, upload your PDF file. Then open it up. Then next in the left panel, go to Campaigns, then Email, and start a new email campaign. So to do that, click on Create Email, select Regular Email, and from here, of course, select your audience. Then click on Design Email to open up your email builder. So here in your email builder, click or drag a button block to your layout, or you can also add in a text link depending on your preference. The next is click on the chosen block and click on Add Link. So here you will be prompted to choose where you want to link this button into. And here we're just gonna select File, then select from Content Studio. And here we're gonna select the PDF file that we uploaded earlier, then press Insert, then click on Save. And of course, you can change the button text like click here for a free PDF file. And if you click on the preview link, you will be redirected on the PDF file that you added. And that's what your subscribers will also see if they click on your button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!